The Spida Curved Conveyor is the hero within any wall frame line. There's simply no better way to transfer studs and sub-assemblies to your wall extruder or raked wall extruder. The transfer from your assembly area to your extruder operator happens quickly and seamlessly. From the component nailer or stud extruder, simply place your sub-assembly on the curved conveyor. The conveyors then transport the lumber directly to your wall extruder operator, making clever use of space by doing this overhead. This space can be used for component storage as well. The curved conveyor is efficient, robust, reduces manual handling and comes in both 2-rail and 3-rail options, with 3 rails suitable for larger studs. If you want to remove bottlenecks and achieve continuous workflow along your wall frame line, then the Spida Curved Conveyor is the ultimate machine for you.